top 10 best destinations to visit in Philippines. If you love our video, subscribe to Travel Wish feed, give us a like and share. Deciding which location to visit in the Philippines will definitely leave one in a tizzy, as there are more than 7,000 islands there. The Philippines is divided into three main island groups: Visayas, Mindanao, and Luzon, each representing different regions. You can catch a rare glimpse of a tiny tarsier monkey on the island of Bohol, or enjoy a day of walking the historical colonial streets of Manila. Since the Pacific Ocean surrounds the Philippines, you are bound to witness some of Asia's best beaches. The diving opportunities are merely outstanding here. Plan your future travel around the island nation with our list of the best places to go to in the Philippines. Let's get started. Number 10. Apo Island. You will want to head towards Apo Island if taking a swim sounds like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you. Its protected marine sanctuary is the probable cause of this location being deemed one of the best attractions for tourists to go swimming with turtles and several other living creatures. You can take guided trips in Apo Island Marine Reserve to snorkel up the coral reefs and see the turtles up close. Visiting this exotic island is an eco-traveler's dream. The landscape, which is considered protected, is one of the most untouched in the country. You can also visit the Apo Island Deck View to have exceptional views of the island and water. Want to get a sense of how life is like on the island for the locals? Go ahead and take a stroll through the Apo village on the Lagoon Trail, where you can witness the local fauna and flora and interact with those who live on Apo Island. Number 9. Puerto Princesa. The natural parks, caves, and rock islands of Palawan Island are considered the Philippines' hidden paradise. It would be best if you conveniently based yourself in the coastal city of Puerto Princesa to explore some of these exquisite gems of the country. Suppose you are interested in seeing impressive limestone caves and a 5-mile underground river. In that case, the Subterranean River National Park will be a great first stop for the same. Boat tours are also available in and around this UNESCO World Heritage Site to take you through the national park. The Ugong Rock, where you can try caving and ziplining, and the Honda Bay, famous for snorkeling, are the other must-see spots in Puerto Princesa. Number 8. Baguio. A city beautifully tucked away on Luzon Island in the mountainous region is known as modern-day Baguio. Despite being a city, Baguio is widely renowned for giving a deja vu for its cottage-type environment. It is called the City of Pines for the beautiful and rich pine forests and cold temperatures surrounding it. You can take in a round of golf at several resorts or explore one of the many biking and hiking trails in the area. The trees surrounding Baguio City, not water, make it unique compared to other destinations in the Philippines. Parks like Burnham and Mines View let you rejoice in some of the fauna and flora remarkable to the region. Don't forget to spend some time along the Session Road, which is considered the main drag through Baguio, where you can take a bite of the local life. Before moving on, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Remember to turn on the notification bell for a dose of weekly travel inspiration specially curated for you. Now, getting back to our list. Number 7. Sagada. One of the most exhilarating experiences that you can have in the Philippines is in Sagada in the northern tribal region. Nestled in the remote and rugged Cordillera Mountains are tribes that embrace the occasional visitor. The high elevation and steep mountains enhance the thrill and skill level needed for outdoor adventure, calling this area a paradise where the advanced outdoor enthusiast won't be wrong. The hanging coffins that hide deep in the mountains are among the best places to visit in this region of the Philippines. It is best to take a local guide with you to this breathtaking site because this is not a tourist area, but rather a tribal region hiding an experience worthy of boasting rights. Sagada, particularly Mount Ampacao, is famous for hiking. The park has the highest peak through the Eco Valley, which has rugged and steep terrain. Number 6. Davao City. Head towards Davao City for a city scene outside of Manila, which has a large metropolitan area. Despite its large population and malls, Davao City features several natural elements, including the Philippine Eagle Center, the Davao Baywalk near the sea, and the Eden Nature Park. Mount Apo, the highest mountain in the whole Philippines, is considered one of the best places to visit in Davao City. The city is also one of the prime locations for shopping. There are several malls, including SM Lanang Premier Mall and Empresa Mall. To get a peek into Davao's history and city, don't forget to visit the tiny Davao Museum of History and Ethnography. Number 5. Manila. The capital city of Philippines, Manila is a bustling city with non-stop activity located on Luzon's island. You can get a taste of local life. At the same time, you can visit the city's top attractions by hopping on board one of the colorful jeepneys, which is the main form of public transportation. The bumpy ride through the streets, usually overpacked with locals, will be one of the highlights of your visit. At Quiapo Church, you can buy handmade gifts and local fruits at the public market. Several thousand people show up every Friday for worship here. Remember to plan your stop at the historic St. Augustine Church in Rizal Park, the city's central park. Number 4. Banaue. Banaue's rice terraces are one of the most striking things to witness in the Philippines. The green terraces are an agricultural wonder in this area. You can get the most impressive views at sunrise when the fog and clouds lift off the mountain to reveal the terrace's intricate landscape. UNESCO World Heritage Sites protect the Bangon rice terraces and the Batat rice terraces. Take a stroll through the Banaue ethnic village to mingle with the indigenous people engaged in farming the rice terraces for a deeper taste of the region. Number 3. Vigan. The historic city of Vigan is one of the most charming towns to visit in the northern Philippines in the Luzon region. The region's culture is a musical blend of Spanish and Chinese influences emanating from the settlers to this area. Thanks to the Spanish who colonized the site in the 18th century, you can admire the colonial architecture by taking a ride in a horse-drawn carriage through the streets. There are umpteen number of nuances to explore in the city of Vigan. The Bantay Bell Tower provides the best view of the area. You will encounter several local artisans and witness the historical revolution in the Calais Crisologo, a historic district that is walkable too. Do plan a visit to St. Paul Metropolitan Cathedral. It is also perfect and a breathtaking spot to sit and people watch as you absorb the local culture. Number 2. Cebu. The central Visayas region, where Cebu's island is located, is considered the port to some skillful snorkeling and diving in the Philippines. Suppose you like getting up close to coral reefs, sea turtles, and whale sharks. In that case, Cebu is one of the best options to visit for an underwater enthusiast like you. Some of the spectacular scenic views from the water near the Cebu region are the sea caves that attract outdoor enthusiasts and photographers looking for unique snorkeling and diving sites. Another breathtaking area to explore and hike is the Sudlon National Park, located at a 1-hour distance from Cebu City. In a nutshell, Cebu City is an area with tourist attractions like cathedrals and museums that will interest history buffs. Number 1. Bohol. The island of Bohol in the central Visayas region of Philippines is known for showcasing its natural beauty. The Chocolate Hills in Carmen is one of the unique natural wonders on the island. This UNESCO patronized site has a collection of more than 1,200 geographical formations that turn brown during the dry season, resembling a scenery of chocolate candy kisses. After paying a small fee, you can get a chance to take an intimate walk through the dry land and stand inches away from the small nocturnal mammal, the tarsier primate. Bohol is also famously known for its beach. Did you enjoy our video? Which other places in the Philippines do you think we should include in this list, and why? Let us know down in the comment section below. Well, if you love our video, subscribe to Travel Wish feed, give us a like and share. We'll see you in our next video.